welcome back to Kitchen Yum. If you don't know us, I'm Valerie. I'm Victoria. And today we'll be eating ice cream sandwiches in our Igloo, but also some frozen goods. It's gonna be super cool, but before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also we will be giving you an Igloo tour. So let's get started. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna be showing you the tour of our Igloo. Let me get out really quickly. So here is the part we're working on, but in here we're already done. It's like a normal igloo, just not a lot of space, but it's nice. So I'm gonna show you the inside. And the inside's a little bit bumpy, but I think it's really good. How we built it is we just had a nice pile of snow, and then we digged a hole in the front and digged all the way here. It took about 2 days to work on it, and I hope we can make another good igloo which is taller. So the flavors are Reese's peanut butter, and the company is Klondike, and this is what it says on the box. Chocolatey coated and loaded with deliciousness. And the next one we have is a ice cream sandwich with chocolate ice cream inside of it. And also, since we also ate like vanilla flavor of this, we have another vanilla inside the box. And then we have another Klondike. Yeah, another one. It's super slippery in here. And it's Rocky Road, and it has chocolate on the outside with nuts. So I can't wait to eat them, so let's go. So I got a riddle for you guys. Okay. Where does an egg live? Does anybody know? Okay, since you gave up, it is an eggloo. Eggloo? Igloo? Igloo? I think they get it. Okay, so which one do you want to start off with first? Rocky Road. Oh yeah, I'm excited for that. So, we're gonna take off our gloves since it's gonna be easier to eat. We're gonna just share one because we have other selections. I'm really excited to try the Rocky Road. Even though in the last video I said I didn't like nuts, I only like nuts on you said you didn't like seeds. Oh yeah, those are seeds, not nuts. Okay. Try it, it's good. Is it good? I like the nuts on it. I like the cream. So, on the box, it looks like it has 2 flavors of ice cream, but maybe it just like mixed together. Yeah. I could see white. It's really hard to eat in an igloo because sometimes the igloo roof is not too big, so you have to bend. Victor, I think we really have to move on to the next one. Okay, fine. So here is the first one. And then after we try all of them, we're gonna see which one tastes better. Now we are gonna try the Reese one. I'm excited for them. I love Reese peanut butter cups. I wouldn't say I love them, but I like them, but not love. Ugh. But I love peanut butter. Okay, there. Got it open. Okay, it's in the same package as the other one. Okay. Now let's see. I'm excited.
Okay, so it's a circle.
Ooh!
It's like a big giant Reese's covered in chocolate.
Does it taste good?
Well, it tastes like a Reese.
Oh, I love this one. It tastes like caramel. But it still tastes a little bit like Reese's. We actually have 2 more flavors to go. So, usually in the ice cream sandwiches, it's usually always vanilla. That's the one that they usually always do. But sometimes you never know what you get.
I like these, but I'd rather have the Klondike. I mean,
You have ice cream in your hair.
Oh.
It's good, simple vanilla. It's not my favorite because it's the basic vanilla.
Just basic vanilla. Nothing special about it, but it's still good. I really like this one because I love chocolate.
So let's try the chocolate one now. You know, we never really get to eat always all the ice cream. We only just get to eat one. This is really good. So it's the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye! Wacky Road! Wacky Road! Rocky! I can't get it out.